clear headlight restoration, go to clear.us, you tape it, you scuff it, and you spray it. Come on back. After you spray the product, you put a black light on it. You can also use the sunlight, but for quick delivery, you run the wand over. It has a hardening agent, stops it from yellowing. We warranty against hazing for as long as you own the vehicle. The worse these lights are in the beginning, the better that they come out. If you take a closer look right here at the rubber, it also works on plastic. We can deliver this vehicle in just a few more minutes after we take the tape off.